those of you who saw my first video on identifying the metamorphic rocks, and those of you who have been asking for a part 2, it took exactly 1 year for me to make this video. And here I am with the igneous rocks. And if this is your first time stumbling upon my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy. So let's get started. And again, I'd like to preface that I'm not a geologist. I'm just a guy who likes rocks. It's upside down. Igneous rocks. Let's read this, shall we? Igneous rocks. Rocks which have formed from the molten state are called igneous rocks. Igneous rocks that have cooled and crystallized deep beneath the surface of the earth are called intrusive or plutonic rocks. Plutonic rocks usually display Phaneritic or Porphyritic texture. I probably botched that, but oh well, let's continue. Plutonic rocks usually display, Plutonic rocks usually display, I already read that, rocks that were formed when lava reached the surface of the earth through fissures, vents, or volcanoes are called extrusive or volcanic rocks. Volcanic rocks will usually exhibit aphanitic textures. And then here we have a list of all the rocks that are in this kit, starting with the Phaneritic texture. Mineral grains of nearly equal size and visible to the naked eye. We first have pegmatite, granite, diorite, and anorthosite, and gabbro. Moving on to the porphyritic texture, we have number 6, granite, basalt, and trachyte. Moving on, we have aphanitic textures, microcrystallines, mineral grains too small to be seen by the naked eye. So we have number 9, rhyolite, andesite, and tuff. You might recognize some of these from Minecraft. Then we have aphanitic texture, which is glassy textures, starting with obsidian, pitchstone, pumice, and scoria. So, yeah. That's the list of the igneous rocks that we're going to be going through today. I'll place this off to the side. And here we are. igneous rocks we have here today. And before we do that, let's go ahead and count these rocks, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Alright, all the rocks seem to be in the kit. There is a chance that some of these rocks might have gotten mixed with the sedimentary or the metamorphic. Actually, no, I think the metamorphic is good. I checked those last year, I think. Let's just hope that no sedimentary were mixed with the igneous. But we can check that later in the next video. Hopefully, it won't take another year. Starting out with number 1. Let's take a look at that. Look at that. That is a beautiful rock right there. Look at all that. Number 1. Can anyone guess what this is? I mean, if you saw the paper, you should know, right? Here we have pegmatite. Let's look under our handy dandy magnifying glass. And this thing has a little light. Okay, I'm trying to. There you go. This thing is composed of different minerals here. Reading off the paper, I'm going to pull it to the side here. It says pegmatite is very coarse grained plutonic rock with a similar composition to granite. I feel like I've seen granite tops with this, this color scheme. The black, all these different crystals in there. That's a beautiful rock. That is a beautiful rock. I like that. Okay. Moving on to number 2, we have the very popular granite. I feel like everyone has seen granite before. Oops. Oh, look at that. As soon as you turn on the light, you can see all the little smaller crystals in there. Granite is a crystalline rock consisting of potassium feldspar and quartz with hornblende and mica as a common accessory minerals. You can definitely see the quartz, that's what's reflecting. A little bit of that hornblende is the darker mineral there. A little bit of feldspar right there, I think. Oops. That's a beautiful rock. That's awesome. Let's put that back. Alright, number 3. not as cool as the first two, I think, but still pretty cool. Let's take a closer look. You can kind of see the little sparkle of what I assume is quartz, just like that other rock, the granite, the one before. Yeah, you can kind of see the sparkle there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So diorite consists essentially of sodic plagioclase and hornblende, biotite, or pyroxene. Small amounts of quartz may be present also. Yeah, there's tiny, tiny pieces of quartz in there. Cool. Put it back. Alright, number 4. Anorthosite. Looks a little similar to the first two. So this is let's take a look first. This is a platonic rock consisting of 90 to 100% feldspar and minor amounts of quartz. I always thought feldspar was more of that like tannish, reddish color. But what do I know? Like that right there. I do see the quartz, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, look at that. Shine. That sparkle. That is number 4. Okay, number 5. We have gabbro. Look at that. This one's gonna have some shine. Oh yeah, look at that. Right there. That is beautiful. That's nice. Almost glassy. A little coarse, but look at that. Wow. So, gabbro is a crystalline plutonic rock consisting of plagioclase with minor amounts of, I can't really see, sorry, what does that say? Augite. Augite. Pretty cool. I'm gonna check if my audio is recording. Number 6, we have. So now we're getting into the porphyritic textures, which means mineral grains of 2 distinct sizes. And this one right here is granite. Granite porphyry. 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 I don't know. So granite porphyry is a light-colored plutonic rock containing alkali feldspar crystals in a good amount. I can't. Sorry, it's because I can't see. Let me read that again. So this is a dark-colored rock containing feldspar crystals in I cannot see. I was reading the wrong one. Okay. It's a light-colored plutonic rock containing alkali feldspar crystals in an ground mass of quartz and feldspar. So you can definitely see the quartz right there shining, and then you get the feldspar right there. That is a beautiful rock. Wow. Yeah, these are like larger crystals. Pretty cool. All right, number 7. Number 7. Lucky number 7. Interesting looking rock. So number 7 we have basalt porphyry. So this is a dark colored rock containing feldspar crystals in an aphanitic ground mass of plagioclase, feldspar, and hornblende. So let's take a look at that. I guess I kind of see the feldspar, a little bit of the hornblende, maybe. If there's an actual geologist watching this, please don't roast me. Just instruct me or teach me, educate me. I would love it. Nice. Moving on to number 8, we have trachyte. Looks like a mountain. Got a little shine there. Alright, so trachyte is composed of potassium feldspar, minor plagioclase feldspar, and accessory hornblende. Pretty cool. Number 9. Oh, it's stuck. Okay, number 9 is rhyolite. Kind of chalky. No, it's just me. Excuse me. So rhyolite is a light-colored rock consisting of microcrystalline potassium feldspar, quartz, and minor accessory minerals. I'm not seeing too much of the quartz. I saw no, that's the glue. I'm trying to find a little bit of quartz. Maybe this is in sedimentary. See some layering there, some foliage. Is that what it's called? If I remember correctly. Pretty cool. That is rhyolite. Maybe. Number 10. Andesite. think this is also a Minecraft block. So, andesite is a light-colored rock consisting of plagioclase, feldspar, and hornblende, biotite, or augite. Alright, number 11. Now this one is tough. Literally, it's called tough. Tuff. Take a look at that. Take a gander, will ya? Take a gander. Take a gander. Oh, look at that. Saw some crystals there. So tuff is compacted volcanic materials smaller than 4 millimeters in size. So yeah, you can kind of see, like, for reference, those little black dots there, pretty small. I want to say there's some quartz in here that are really tiny, but I think it just might be the little black dots that are reflecting. No, right there I saw. Maybe it is just a black. I don't know. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty cool. That is really cool, actually. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. That is tough. And moving on to one of my favorites. Can you guess what this is? This is an aphanitic texture, which is a microcrystalline. Oh, that is nice. That is nice. I like that. This one doesn't have a number on it. They probably couldn't glue it, or, maybe it just fell. So, this right here is 3, 2, 1. Obsidian. This is a glossier rock. Now, if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it's 10. Maybe I'm wrong. Hold on, let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I want to say 11. You can build a nether portal with this in Minecraft. So, obsidian is a glassy volcanic rock formed by the rapid cooling of rhyolitic lavas. So, this comes out of a volcano, I'm guessing. Lands, it cools immediately. It turns into this hard, glassy obsidian. In Minecraft, for reference, if you put water on a lava source block, you get that dark material. You get this dark material. Pretty cool. Moving on to number 13. Lucky number 13. rapid cooling of rhyolitic lavas. I think that's a typo. And has I can't read that, the paper's torn, renous or pitchy appearance. It's got some shine to it, low gloss to it. Very similar to that obsidian I just showed you. This one looks a little bit more purplish, which is pretty cool. I really like this one actually. I think I might like it more than obsidian. That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Here we have number 14. Number 14. This one looks kind of furry. This is pumice, or pumice. I'm gonna say pumice. Pumice is a light-colored volcanic rock of rhyolitic composition. The texture results from bubbles formed by escaping gases. Bubbles, 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 bubbles. I can kind of see the bubbles. It's very light, very light. It's also got a weird texture to it. And the last, but not final rock, we have 15, I think. This is weird. It's got such a weird texture. It's also very light, like this pumice. So this one is named scoria. Scoria is a dark-colored volcanic rock of basaltic composition with a porous texture due to escaping gases. I see the pores. Pretty cool. Look at that. That is so cool. It almost looks like Texas. Kind of. Or a stingray. Fun fact, basalt is what the ocean floor is made out of, mostly. Well, that's going to conclude this episode for the igneous rocks, identifying and observing igneous rocks. For today, I appreciate you checking out this video. It really means a lot. I hope you enjoyed observing these rocks with me. I really hope that I was right with all of them. And I hope it doesn't take another year for me to make the next one. So if y'all really want to see that next one of the sedimentary rocks, let me know, because I've got some pretty cool rocks to share for that kit. And some rocks that I've picked up on my own. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already.